Out across the region, Storm Scan 3 showing a dry start to your Sunday. We're going to stay dry all day today. Those clouds have cleared out behind the front, so that has allowed some areas of patchy fog to develop, but not in the city of Philadelphia. A lot of walkers out there early this morning. If you're debating on whether to do your workout outdoors this morning versus later on this afternoon, I'd say wait until later on today because those humidity levels will be dropping and it'll feel more comfortable as we get deeper into the afternoon and especially this evening. So today turning less humid as the day wears on. 79 degrees, wind out of the northeast at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight it's looking like a pretty nice night if you want to fire up the grill, maybe eat outside. 62 degrees with an easterly breeze at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and that sunset at 6:47, so it's getting earlier and earlier. We are going to see a pattern change as we roll into October. October 1st is on Tuesday. Can you believe it? An area of high pressure will build not only across the mid-Atlantic, but across much of the southeast U.S. And what that means, we're going to see a dry stretch as the storm track will stay well off to our north. So that is where all the rain will be for the next few days, and record-breaking heat will be possible. It looks like the hottest day here in the Delaware Valley will be on Wednesday. So the heat will gradually build through the early part of the work week. The record high on Wednesday, 87, set back in 2002. We're forecasting a high temperature of 90 degrees. So if we get there, we will break that record. We're also tracking the tropics. We have Hurricane Lorenzo, a Category 4 storm, maximum sustained winds 155 miles per hour, staying out in the Atlantic, possibly impacting the Azores as we head into Wednesday before eventually weakening in the northern Atlantic. Your 7-day forecast showing that gradual temperature climb by Wednesday, and then after Wednesday we'll have our next rain chance in here with our cold front, 73, and a big drop in temperatures by Friday and Saturday with temperatures down in the 60s. Howard?